Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so you don't waste time. First, confirm the server has a voice plugin or mod installed and enabled, otherwise connection will fail. Next, make sure your Minecraft client version matches the server and that you installed the same voice mod on your client. Finally, check basic network items. Open the necessary port, disable blocking firewall rules temporarily, and confirm a stable connection. Once done, restart both client and server to apply initial changes. Now you configure the plugin settings so voice can route correctly. Open the plugin or mod config on Aternos and set the bind address and port to match your server network. Pick a supported codec and sensible bitrate to reduce latency. Then adjust permissions so players can join voice channels. Assign nodes to groups and check channel defaults. Test locally first. Run a LAN or loopback test to verify voice traffic and troubleshoot any port or permission errors before inviting remote players. Finish by restarting everything and verifying connections so changes take effect. Restart the Aternos server, your client, and router if needed. Confirm you use the correct server address and port. If connection still fails, check server and client logs for handshake, port, or codec errors and replicate the issue to capture details. Make one targeted change at a time, such as switching ports or disabling a conflicting plugin, to isolate the cause. Key troubleshooting tip: if voice won't connect, temporarily disable other communication mods and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.